beating the war drums. Those beating war drums. Monso na moye vulnerable. Mon na ntokwa sisi cream. Mo ho asem. Enti wakotwa ntoa to omampanyi so. Na se ya chewa. Amanfo abegina honum say journalism is under threat. Under what threat? Do you think say we are journalists until you are above the law? Because we are journalists until we are above the law. And then I make church say journalism no e what asemaye hwehwemu authenticated the news how they got to jano now they are better jam. If you who may say this point to pay, you are not a journalist, you are a blogger. So we cannot call Captain Smart a journalist. He is a blogger. So the journalists in the country should see him as such. You won't say when you're journalist or a blogger. Because so what you say, we one tipo ukrano by your own imagination and how they can't say. And I see people that and you ought to want to be a OD president at them. Move to me be a man no bab on Timbekan. What sort of life are we living for the future? Posterity will judge us. Or to one up what them penny fire trappier the presidency at them can't influence unprintable words. Actually presidency no. Obia journalist be Pia Bontia Babeka. Said the yenye. Have you wondered why today a Caribbean and social media no diatem? That is the result of what Captain Smart is doing. Oba now wababe pet public sympathy, populist approach. We are building a nation. We are not building a party. Of course, we should be building a nation. I agree. But I give him that say we are building a nation. But I take it back. So nation builder no and young story won't set a good example for kids to learn. Now they would attempt the day now they two mutrim say would ye nipa now to one man. Just our bias in factory and son didi. Captain Smart during Muhammad's time, over catching say Muhammad the worst president ever. Nanado eba ye wosik Ghana. The history of Ghana, President Papa Bianu Mahama. So the you that you are listening to him tomorrow, Obesa Kacho said the best president ever is Akufo-Addo. I'm telling you. The you listening to Captain Smart or Kachire say the worst president in the history of Ghana is John Dramani Mahama. And then was it the best president in the history of Ghana is John Dramani Mahama. Same person. And then Okacho said the worst president in the history of Ghana, Akufo-Addo. Tomorrow, Obekacho said the best ever, Akufo-Addo. People, Abubo Madwin, Ayo Madwin say, Omode, Omaya Kokotako, they Ombe were desperate politicians, and indeed, wow, pay power at all costs, no abeju sika. Ojo abeju sika na. Now I've into a qua. The old person what you know, and no over cultural. This is not journalism. This is propaganda. Because in summer or more yet or your airwaves in this one, then you ask yourself, saying, you know, I am passer, but what catch them say, Papa in Miss me, I see when I go out. I see roads being tarred. I see hospitals being built. I see schools being built. I see factories. Now catch them say factory back ukra won't see ya. What are you telling me? What are you telling me? They mean we now say a nation building, and they one of the basic foundation of nation building is identification. And no na country be a person factory be a person ba ukruma adia wo hwe any with data system. If you have a problem of identification, it's scare investors because say me a banker, me man loan, me buy and I give people loan. How do I find them? I buy way by say let's build from the start. My identification system and my idea here and until I Ghana card microphone say because the journalists in the country, the paid stomach journalists in the country, I wouldn't even call them bloggers who sit behind consoles and call themselves journalists, are talking against it. So the very people they are misinformed. Inti adeɛ no obi akora so won tibi nyebi obi te Ghana to date onye Ghana kan nye se wonya opportunity but ya ka ten say enye ti wono so onye mo sorry so a mo be fa Ghana na mo de akwa to Europe, but Europe omo fundamentals identity enti na wo abruchire kuro bia wonni nwoma policy hu ano achew because omo believe say wonni nwoma na wa identity ye nimu a wo akonya so di boni fa ho di eni nti si enya chew na wonni bia omo azimu se ne boni bia di asi ba bia ye hu ni pakoro nsese wa because ye nimu identity awa akoro usuro boni go wonni se ade bia wonni se security wonni se ade we me koya ye hwehwe me be hu me menye. There are so many people omo nya boni anko mu bedi na so police station esi omo fie achi nti onim se ye be che no. What did they make another? And that identification is security as people. But we have a political party who sees what is good for the country as their enemy. NDC, and they fought against it. They go stubborn academy. A whole MP comes on national television say they stop one academy. It's like they are politics in the age. And the Captain Smart and someone called car yesterday the president is into Galamsey. BNI show maybe you know what we don't know. If indeed the president is into Galamsey, you have evidence to prove that, then we take the president on. So what is wrong? What is wrong? I said bloggers are. They should be disciplined because your airwaves, I say, I say. Today, it is better listen to a blogger on Facebook than to listen to a radio station or because they are paid and they only say what the paymaster wants to hear. And until na Captain Smart ni ku omanim ku gu ase ewuku asem. Eye den ena MPP elusu that vote. Uko elembele MP stood ojina ka se mekun etia Galamsey. Sesi apapa no me no ka elembele former MP. Sesi o ye DCE wo. You know why? The citizens around Elembele for catch and say, "Oh, you better try Benetia because you are fighting against Galamsey." You ba MP about to one so go to Elembele. Next said the Nana do vote and depreciate here. Next said the Nana do vote and depreciate here. And the people indeed voted against their MP.